Hi friends, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to colonize a land in Europa Universalis 4 as a European power. For example, now I'm using France now and I want to colonize North America. So how do I do that? So I'm going to show you right in this video. The first thing you need to have is that you need to have a colonist slot. You need to have one slot, and in order to qualify for the slot, you have to go to ideas and you have to choose certain ideas like exploration. For example, exploration ideas gives you it has a colonist bonus of plus one slot, or even some other ideas like expansion ideas. You can see it has additional colonist slots you can use. So you have to first qualify for that. So the third part is after you've qualified and you have your colonist, which is here, what you can do is that if you've explored the new world, like either North or South America, you just click right over any of the territory. And when you click over any territory, you see where they write uncolonized land. You see colonial Eastern America. Then you see the travel time 138 days. Then that's where you can send your colonist there. And when you send colonist, you click on send colonist right here, and you'll be waiting for 138 days before you get your colonist to arrive. So now our colonists have colonized this area now. So the next thing that can happen is that you see that the population will increase, the migration from Europe will increase to this to North America territory right over here. So, and one more thing is that come over to this stability and expansion. You need to understand one thing that is very important, which is the expansionist laws, mainly for colonial laws. Here you see native coexistence policy, in which you can colonize, but you are going to coexist with the natives. Then the other one has to do with native trading policy, which is just a balance between you like you are going to you see the bonus here is just as you can see the bonus here minus 50% chance uprising chance and native assimilation. Then this other one has to do with exploitation, in which like your own goal is to, like, you don't care about the natives there, you must have to colonize and forcefully um colonize, and it gives you bonus of settler the chance of settler increase. So that's how to do it. That's how to colonize any part of the world in Europa Universalis. So thanks for watching.